Hi there, welcome to Crochet Critters. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick little tutorial on how to do an extra large bobble stitch, which is very similar to a normal bobble stitch but bigger. This is useful for my new large tortoise pattern, and I'll put the link to that in my Etsy store below as well. But to start off with, you will do similar to a treble crochet rather than a double crochet to make it bigger. So we'll yarn over and yarn over again, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that will leave us with 2 loops on the hook. So we'll do that again, yarn over, insert into the same stitch, back into that same stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we've got 3 on the hook. So we'll keep doing that a couple more times. Okay, so I've done 4, so we've now got 5 stitches on the hook. So with the bobble stitch, you can go bigger if you want to, you can go smaller if you want to, depending how much you want it to pop. I'm going to do one more on here because I really want these little legs on my tortoise to pop out nicely. So, oops. Not like that. Remember, every single time go back into that same stitch. You want to be going back into that same stitch every single time. Okay, so now we've got 6 on the hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all of those, and then do a single crochet into the next stitch. Make sure you get the next stitch. Sometimes you have to just pull aside all of those other stitches that you've just done in your bobble, but make sure you go into the next stitch. And there you go. That is an extra large bobble stitch. So you can use this for lots of different things, different patterns. If you want to make them bigger, if you really want your bobble stitches to stand out, this is one way you can do it to make an extra large bobble stitch. Thank you for tuning in for this tutorial. I hope it was useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and let me know what you think, and I will have more coming for you very, very soon. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye.